Welcome to Research Papers Support YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain World Top 20 Civil Engineering Journals as per the Google Scholar citations. This is the most important video, especially for the civil engineering researchers. So now, as per the Google Scholar, these are the top publications in the category of engineering and computer science under civil engineering. The first one, construction and building materials. Next, cement and concrete research, automation in construction, cement and concrete composites, engineering structures, materials and structures, earthquake engineering and structural dynamics, Journal of Structural Engineering, computer aided civil and infrastructure engineering, Journal of Constructional Steel Research, Journal of Materials in Civil Engineering, Journal of Building Engineering, Journal of Construction Engineering and Management, Steel and Composite Structures, Structural Engineering and Mechanics, International Journal of Geomechanics, Geotextiles and Geomembranes, Journal of Composites for Construction, Journal of Computing in Civil Engineering, Structure and Infrastructure Engineering. So now these are the top 20 publications as per the Google Scholar H5 Index and the H5 Median. So now we will start with the first one, construction and building materials. So this is the Elsewhere journal. The ISSN number is 09500618. The editor is Michael C. Fall. The site score is 7.4 and impact factor is 4.419. So please go through this web page regarding the guide for authors and regarding the abstracting and indexing, whether it is in Scopus or SAI or Web of Science, ESCI or SCIE like that. Here you can, if you want to submit, how to submit a paper in the Elsewhere journal, I already made one video. Please go through my YouTube channel. And aim and scope of this journal, it is completely regarding construction and building materials. This also publish some detailed case studies and some incisive review articles that contribute new understandings. So this is the scope of construction and building materials. Please go through this one. So once if you go through all the things, the information is available for the authors. Next is loading. That is the cement and concrete research. The editor is Robert Flan. The ISSN number is 00088846. The site score is 11 and impact factor is 8.328. Same like that, the aim of this cement and concrete research is to publish the best research on the material science and engineering of cement, cement composites, mortars, concrete, and other allied materials that incorporate cement or other minerals binders. So please go to this, the processing and all the applications, what are they are using now. Please go through here, the guide for authors and abstracting index, please click here. Okay. Next, the third one is automation in construction. So in this automation in construction, it is an international research journal. The ISSN number is 09265805. The editor is Miroslav and site score is 9.5 and impact factor is 5.669. And this is purely design and engineering, construction technology, maintenance and management. So if you want to see the IM and support, please go through this web page. And next, cement and concrete composite. The editor is N. Bantia and site score is 9.3, impact factor is 6.257. The ISSN number of this journal, cement and concrete composites, is 09589465. And here, please go through the guide for author and abstracting index and remaining all the things, whatever you need. Please go through this web page of cement and concrete composites. Next, engineering and structures. The ISSN number is 01410296. The site score is 5.7 and impact factor is 3.548. So remaining in the information, aim and scope, please go through the website. And next, materials and structures. This is a Springer. And also the editor in chief is John Provis. And please go through the web page here, whatever showing here. The ISSN number is 18716873. The print ISSN number is 1359 5997. The next one is earthquake engineering structural dynamics. The impact factor is 3.414. The ISSN number is 10969845. This is John Valley and Sons Limited. So please go through this web page. The next one, Journal of Structural Engineering. So ASC library. The ISSN number is 07339445. The print one. And online one 19435418. The frequency is monthly. This journal. Please go through the website here. The next one is Computer Aided Civil and Infrastructure Engineering. Impact factor is 8.552. And ISSN number is 1467867. The next journal is Journal of Constructional Steel Research. ISSN number is 0143974X. The site score is 5.4. Impact factor is 2.938. Next one is Journal of Materials in Civil Engineering. The ISSN is 08991561. The online one is 19435533. The frequency is monthly. The next one is Journal of Building Engineering. The ISSN number is 23527102. The site score is 4.9. Impact factor is 3.379. Next one is Journal of Construction Engineering and Management. The ISSN number is 07339364. It is a print one, and online is 19437862. The frequency is monthly. The next one is Technopress journals. That is a steel and composite structures. So please go to here. It is the impact factor is 4.3 as per 2019, and ISSN number is 12299367 and 15986233. And even you will see here the conferences, latest conferences. Next, Technopress journal is Structural Engineering and Mechanics. The impact factor is 2.98 as per 2019. ISSN number is 12254568. It's a print one. Online one is 15986217. Next one, International Journal of Geomechanics. The ISSN number is 15323641. Online is 19435622. Frequency of this journal is a monthly publishing. Next, Geotextiles and Geomembranes. The ISSN number is 02661144. It is an official journal of the International Geosynthetic Society. The site score of this journal is 7.2. The impact factor is 3.4. Next journal, Journal of Composites for Construction. The ISSN number is 10900268. And online ISSN number is 19435614. The frequency of this journal is bi-monthly. Next journal is Journal of Computing in Civil Engineering. The ISSN number is 08873801. The online one is 19435487. This is the bi-monthly frequency. The sponsored by Computing and Information Technology Division. The remaining information, please go through this web page. Next one is Structure and Infrastructure Engineering. So here you will observe all the things. The impact factor is 2.62. So this is the aim and scope of this journal. Instruction for authors, each and everything is there. Here you can go through this web page and you can check the journal. So these are the top 20 journals. And moreover, I told here, I explained whatever I explained till now. This is as per the Google Scholar. But everyone having their own statistics as per the SJR ranking, as per the site score, as per the citations. So maybe different sites, different website, they are giving different top 20 journals. But anyway, these are the most unique journals. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please post your query in the comment box. If you need any research-oriented videos, please watch my previous videos. If you like this video, please click on the link like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.